Hello, boys and girls. So today is biography day 3. You're going to continue to read your biography. After you read your biography, you will submit your notes. So you need to continue to take notes as you read. Again, as you read, go over your previous notes. So here I have my day 1 of notes. I have day 2 notes. I noticed that the last thing that I wrote about was that his New York shop failed because he was trying to make cough drops and the equipment was too expensive. So I continued to read and I took day 3 notes. Here are my day 3 notes. When you are reading, remember to stay focused. Think about what you're reading. Write down important dates. Anything about family, education, obstacles or problems, major events, and accomplishments. While you're reading, you need to think about what you are reading and take notes. You will open up this slide. You will read for 20 minutes. Take notes while you are reading and then submit a picture of your notes. I can't wait to see all of the information that you are learning. I am learning so much about your different famous people because I am reading your notes. Continue to take good notes. Remember to only write down the facts, and they do not have to be complete sentences.